Welcome to Mini Rambo Survival Channel. I'm Mini Rambo. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the Camillus 4-piece camp set right here. Actually sold at Walmart right now. I actually got this on clearance for $3. Retails online for $11 to $12.99. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm going to be using my CRKT knife right here. Let's see if I can get all these things out. First, I want to get out the spoon and the knife, I think it is. Okay, just like I thought, these are the ones that actually stick together, so these pieces will connect together. So we got spoon right here, and a simple hobo knife. And it just has a pressure close. And a punch all right here. Punching in the leather and stuff. Let's see how this closes. Okay. Next, we're going to go for the fork and corkscrew. Should be a bottle opener too, I believe. Yeah, so here's the other tab. Fork, gives you a nice handle. Oh yeah, here's the can opener. Okay, let's see. Well, I should. Okay, just like I thought. So you gotta open, should be just a spoon and a fork. Once they open, they go straight through. So when you fold them closed, see, they don't come apart now, they're together. So there's that, so you don't lose them. This is like a foldable camp cup. Be a little careful so I don't slice into that. Okay. Let's see how this works. Ah, looks like that. Looks like it's got a little lanyard. Where's the lid? Ah, there we go. Boop. There's the cup. Actually, the lid really sticks on there. Let's see how good the pressure is. Here. Okay. Here's the cup, down like that. There we go. See that? And now I get out the small canteen, the 5-ounce. A little smaller than your standard canteen. What's this? Just a little instruction manual on how to care for your knife. Okay. Stainless steel. Just your run-of-the-mill flask. Nothing special about that. Alright, let's put all these out. I like how they lock in here like this. There's the instructions on the back. There you go, $3.99. You know, at my local Walmart. Pretty decent deal if I do. As a matter of fact, say myself. I'm actually going to be using most of this stuff for lunch. Put in my lunchbox, just so I have a fork and knife. Anything I need, you open up a can of soup. And this is Mini Rambo signing out.